What's going on, YouTube fam? I'm back. I got some Newedge content coming to you right now. I'm finna change the bumpers on this car already. I'm gonna show you what I got going on. I'm gonna show you the process of taking it off. I'm gonna show you what you gotta take off, and hopefully, it make this car look a little better. It already look good, but we finna try to spice it up just a little bit. Here are the bumpers that's about to go on it. I got a Cobra rear bumper and a Cobra front bumper. As you can see, it still got the stock rear bumpers. I did the tail lights last video. Really didn't show much on it. Motherfucker just beeping. Front bumper, pretty simple. Couple bolts. Did the grill delete, gotta get the bottom piece for it. Thought I had it, but no idea where that went. So next step would be really getting it detailed and getting it lowered. But as of now, we're finna go back to the trunk. Kinda got some stuff in there, and I'm gonna try to show you what you gotta get out. So you go behind this, pull it back. I don't know if you can see that right there in the corner. If it'll focus. Silver bolt, there's 2 bolts over there, and she can't go to this corner. I got a piece of wood holding it up because the spring's gone. 2 in that corner, and it's supposed to be 3 on the bottom. I'm actually not sure. So I'm gonna get that taken off. So I'll be back in the trunk. And there's an 11mm bolt right there in the corner. Get it loosened up. Off there without dropping the bolt. Trying to hold it and trying to hold the phone and do it all at the same time. Since I ain't got my head mount, I don't know where it at. Really ain't worried about it. I may need to take the tail lights out. Not sure. I'm gonna get these bolts out. Then I'm gonna go to the other side, do the same thing, and try to figure out. Show you the other bolts if you couldn't see them earlier. They right there. Okay, we got the sides unloose. 2 screws there. Got them 2 bolts, got it hanging. And we're gonna go to the trunk. I'm gonna try to show these bolts. It should be 1 in there. I don't know if you can see that. And it should be 1 there, 1 down there, and the bumper should come off. Got the rear bumper off, and as you can see, got a bolt there, bolt there, bolt there. 3 tabs at the bottom. 1 tab on that corner. 1 tab on that corner. And 2 bolts right there. Pretty damn dirty. The car was black, so that's why. Whoever painted it though, they did a good job. Besides that running spot right there, but did a pretty good job. We got the bumper on, and the fit is perfect. These side markers, I'm gonna have to order some of those. The ones that was in the stock bumper kind of broke. And need that bottom diffuser piece. Probably get it carbon fiber. The tail lights, they go in pretty easy. You got these 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. They just bolt in. That's pretty self-explanatory how that go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this finished up and get the front bumper on and see how it look all together. But right now it's looking pretty damn good. I'll probably just stick the side markers in there. Won't screw them down, and then I'm gonna go with fucking camera. I'm gonna go with the tinted side markers, so that'll look better. Then we're gonna work on getting some lowering springs. So now we're finna move up to the front, and it's pretty simple. You got them 2 bolts at the top. Then got them 2 bolts right there in the corner. Tab on the other bumper is ripped, so I'm probably gonna do the bumper pins, put them like right there. I think it still look good. Stock bumper don't look too bad. I just like the Cobra front end better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that off and get the new bumper on and see how, parking in the opening so we can get a good walk around of it and see how it look. I wish I could record the whole process, but I don't have my head mount or my body mount. So just working with what I got for right now. Got the front bumper on, this looking good. Some clear corner headlights. will set that thing off. I ain't got to buy that piece for the middle anymore because the Cobra bumper, the Cobra cars didn't come with that didn't come with the honeycomb grill, and they came with the grill delete, so everything matches up perfect. The bumper fits good. Besides right there on that corner, it a little better fit, man. The rear bumper look good. It definitely changed the look of the car, can't lie. The stock wing will be coming off of a Cobra wing, probably a cow hood. All right, man, it's hot as hell out here on my shirt, drenched in sweat. I got the bumpers on, hope everybody enjoyed it. I couldn't really show the process of installing the bumper, but I mean, I pretty much showed where the, what tabs you gotta remove, what screws, what nuts, whatever. I pretty much showed the whole process without showing the process, and the Cobra bumpers, the front and rear, does make this car look a lot better. I've seen some of the stock front and rear bumper that look good, but me personally, I just like the Cobra stuff, and I can't afford the Cobra, so I got what I could get. And the next mod for this car probably gonna be a stereo, because I don't like the stock stereo. It's on now, scratching and shit. Then I'm probably do the exhaust that I got on my other car. I forget the name of it, some aftermarket shit with H pipe, so it'll sound a little better than when I was at school today. We kind of figured out what was wrong with the motor. He's saying maybe a dry bearing or the timing chain guide, so the motor will be coming out soon to do a rebuild. And I'm just glad to have this car on the channel, man. We finna get this thing in for paint, get the motor done, get some boost on this thing, some wheels, get it lowered, and we finna send it, man. I ain't lying. And I thank everybody for watching, man. Subscribe. I'm sweating like hell right now. It's hot. I'm gonna try to get some better equipment so I can show the installs as I go and don't have to show the process and not show the install itself. So I hope everybody subscribe to the channel, man. I'm out.